First of all, go to Stock Media, then select AI Media and look for Zoomverse. Click on Create and add your image. Adjust the picture mode and aspect ratio. Then, click on Submit and Generate. Now, bring down the generated video to the timeline and reverse the video. Now, add all other clips and the music to timeline. Then, use keyframes to create zoom in and zoom out animations as shown in the tutorial. Use ease and graph to make the animation look smooth. Repeat the same process with all other clips. Now, copy and paste the same set of clips to fill the music length. Then, go to Transitions and add a fast wipe-up transition to your clip. Now go to Effects and add Fast Zoom and Ripple Effect to the clips as shown. At last, add the creator's name or your channel name at the end. That's it.